Today I'm making lavender lemon cake and you guys, oh my god. So, the ingredients. You'll need flour, sugar, oil, soy or some other not animal milk, applesauce, baking powder, a pinch of salt and of course lavender and a couple of lemons. I've made a couple of videos with recipes featuring lavender, so I'm gonna spare you the buy food grade speech, but you know, do. The recipe starts right on said lavender. Get a mortar and pestle and grind the lavender up so it'll spread evenly throughout the dough. So, I just reviewed that footage and had this really ugly moment where I thought, oh my god, what am I doing being fat and advocating for veganism? That's not for me. That's, you know, for skinny pretty girls. So, and it is for them, definitely, absolutely. I'm just gonna say, veganism is for everyone, which includes people whose bellies rest on the counter while they're, you know, grinding lavender. And you and everyone. Also, organize your workspace, solidarity with the marginalized. Nothing's gonna solve climate change unless it's the complete collapse of capitalism. Once the lavender has turned into something as close to a powder as you can manage, mix it with the sugar to allow it to infuse a little. Now zest the lemons. Me, I love the taste of lemon zest, but 2 is quite a lot for this amount of dough. If you're not sure about your lemon zest limit, maybe start with 1. This is a recipe, not a dare. Add the zest to the lavender sugar. It'll go a bit lumpy and that's just fine. Let it sit while you deal with the rest of the dough. You could prep the sugar and let it infuse overnight, but I'm never this organized and 10 minutes is just fine. In a large bowl mix flour, oil, milk, applesauce and baking powder. Add the sugar mix and mix well. I like a loaf pan for this cake, but of course a cake tin will do nicely if you prefer. You'll just have to adjust the baking time. A few drops of vegetable oil spread in the tin to keep it from sticking. Any excess massage into your skin, that's just good for you. Scoop the dough into the tin. I have adapted this recipe from a non-vegan version, so the baking time is a bit of a guessing game, but I'll start with 50 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius and see how that works out. That's looking pretty good, but the skewer has revealed the center needs a bit longer, so I'm adding 20 minutes. Now it's perfect. Let the cake sit for about 20 minutes to cool. Since I have a track record of ruining bakery with my impulsiveness, I'm distracting myself with some crochet. Yep, that did the trick. If you want to, and why wouldn't you can add some icing. For this you'll need icing sugar and lemon juice. Drip it on haphazardly like Jackson Pollock and add a sprinkle of lavender to emphasize this theme. Now you're done! A perfect treat for late summer afternoons. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe?